The secret life of cats. Cats are one of the most popular pets in the world, and they have a secret life that many people do not see. During the day, cats often sleep for many hours, sometimes up to 16 hours. At night, they become more active because they are natural hunters. Cats use their sharp eyes and ears to explore their surroundings in silence. Even when they live in houses, they keep the habits of their wild ancestors. This secret part of their life makes them mysterious and fascinating animals. Cats are also very clean animals, and they spend a lot of time grooming themselves. They lick their fur with their tongue to stay clean and control their body temperature. Grooming also helps cats feel calm and relaxed, especially after playing or eating. Cats are independent, but they also like comfort and safety inside the home. They can spend time alone, but they enjoy sleeping near their owners. This balance between independence and affection is part of their secret charm. Cats show love in quiet but special ways. Another part of the secret life of cats is their communication. Cats do not only meow, they also purr, hiss, and make other sounds to share feelings. Purring usually shows happiness and comfort, but sometimes it can mean they want attention. Cats also communicate with their body, moving their tails, ears, and whiskers in different ways. When a cat rubs its head against a person, it is marking them as part of its territory. These secret signals are how cats talk to the people and animals around them. Understanding them helps us be better friends with cats. Finally, cats love to play, climb, and hunt, even if they never leave the house. They enjoy chasing toys that look like mice or birds because it reminds them of hunting in nature. Scratching posts and climbing trees keep them strong and active. Cats need safe spaces to explore their natural instincts indoors. When they feel secure, they show their playful and curious personality. This playful side is also part of their secret life that makes them special. The more we learn about cats, the more we understand why they are loved all over the world. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.